Hello my fellow insurables, I'm Kelly Aerosmith with Aero Final Expense. In this video, we'll go over what is a contestability period and how does it work in a life insurance policy. If you're new to my channel, you'll get the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance. And stay tuned until the end when you learn how insurance companies can slap you with a second contestability period. So as most of us know, when you enter into a contract with a life insurance company, you agree to pay premiums to them in exchange for a lump sum paid out to the loved one of your choice, a beneficiary, when you die. And here's where it gets interesting. If you die within the first 2 to 3 years of the policy being issued, which is the contestability period, the insurance company can review your application for any misstatements, false information, or withheld information. If any of significance are found, the death claim can be denied. Now, typically, this will be any information you gave about your medical, employment, or criminal history. When they do review your application, they're going to look at if this information would have influenced the insurance company to provide coverage. And what's the reason for a contestability period, you may ask? It exists to protect insurance companies from those that would try to commit fraud in order to either get life insurance or in order to get lower rates. So in essence, lying or withholding information in order to get life insurance or to get a lower rate is insurance fraud. And when you do apply, you're going to be asked to attest that everything you have stated or answered is factual and true. But not to worry, if there's no material misstatements found, then the death benefit will be paid out, typically within 30 to 60 days of a claim being made. Though with final expense burial policies, usually the beneficiary will receive the death benefit within 7 to 10 days of making a claim. Now, if the insurance company does find any misstatements or withheld information on the application, there are a variety of ways how they can deal with this. And this will all depend on the amount of coverage and how serious the misstatement was. We're not talking about small mistakes that may have been made. We're talking about important information that was either made or withheld when, for example, if it's found that you would have paid a higher premium if the insurance company had known your actual details and personal history, the death benefit will be paid minus any premiums owed to the insurance company. Now, on the other hand, if it's found that your misstatement would have affected your ability to get coverage at all, then the life insurance company can deny the death claim and refund all the premiums you've paid to your beneficiary. And this would be in the most serious cases, such as withheld information about your health issues or your criminal history. Now, during that first 2 years, and this isn't exactly part of the contestability period, but there is also what's known as a suicide clause, and this is going to be in any insurance policy, which states that if the insured were to die by suicide in the first 2 years of starting the policy, then the death claim would be denied, and just as before, the insurance company would return all premiums paid to the beneficiary. Now, this is done specifically so that people do not purchase a life insurance policy with the sole purpose of killing themselves shortly after. Now, here it is. This is something important to know. If your policy were to lapse because you didn't pay your premiums and you do reinstate the policy, then your policy is going to go through a whole new contestability period. Okay, my fellow insurables, there we have it. That is a very quick overview of how a contestability period works. If you have any questions about today's topic or other life insurance topics, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to continue to get the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.